Why Russia attacked on Ukraine on February 2023? There are the three reasons behind it. But first two reason is that viral. But third reason is not viral as comparison to first and second. The first reason is that Ukraine wanted to join NATO forces. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and it was made by the America or US in 1949 after the Second World War. After 1945, so after the Second World War, and Cold War has been erupted between US and Soviet Union. So war could take place anytime between these two nations, these two superpowers. So two surrounding country of the Soviet Union, US planned to make an organization as a military organization. Then at that time in 1949, 12 nations of the Europe, including all over the world, joined the NATO forces to counter-check the Soviet Union so that America would be too heavy over the Soviet Union in the query of the war. So Ukraine wanted to join NATO forces, so that's why Russian President Vladimir Putin attacked on Ukraine on February 2023. This is the first reason. But second reason is that Ukraine was the part of the Soviet Union. You can say Ukraine was the part of the Russia by 25th December 1991. So the soil of the farming land in the Ukraine, it is very fertile and grain production is too much high. So Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, wanted to recapture Russia so that the grain production that is the growing by the Russia, and after they can export it to the African countries and Gulf nations. So this was the second reason. But third reason is that the biggest reason, we have to see that in 17th century, Soviet Union, a great Tsar in the Russia, in the Soviet Union, king is called Tsar, C-Z-A-R. There was a Tsar, that name was the Peter the Great. Peter and the Great made the warm water policy. Through the warm water policy, they have started their seaport to search anywhere in the world as a seaport, because in the geographical condition of the Russia or Soviet Union, their all seaport are situated in their north side, where all over the year, throughout the year, the frozen ice there are. It is very difficult to operate their seaport throughout the year. So this is because there is the ice, there is the frozen atmosphere, frozen temperature. So this is the reason why Russia attacked on Ukraine, because Russia, Vladimir Putin president, first time attacked on Crimean Peninsula in Black Sea in 2014, and he annexed into the Russia, because in the Black Sea there is a Crimean Peninsula where there are the 4 seaports. Through these 4 seaports, they can do the business with all over the world, because Russian other seaports are situated in the north side of the Russia. There is a frozen atmosphere, frozen temperature. It is not the operationable. So that's why Ukraine has 18 seaport. 18 seaport has the Ukraine and 12 trade terminals. So that's why Russian President Vladimir Putin planned to attack on Ukraine after annexed to the Crimean Peninsula into the Russia. This is the main reason behind it. As we know, when in the Black Sea, the all 18 seaport and 12 terminals trade of the Ukraine and 4 seaport of the Crimean Peninsula would be captured by the Russia. They can, through the Black Sea, they can enter the Mediterranean Sea through the Turkey. There is also a canal, and in the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea there is a Suez Canal. Through the Suez Canal, Russia can enter in the Asian market. Okay, and then after all the Africa they can surround, and they can go to the Europe, they can go to the North America and South America through the sea route. So this is the reason India's what export as a crude oil to take that present from the Russia, the 40% of the crude oil came from the Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea through the Suez Canal to India. So this is the main reason behind it. Russia wanted to capture once again all over the Ukraine for their fertile farming land and their 18 seaports and 12 trade terminals. This is the reason behind it why Russia attacked on Ukraine on February 2023.